Hey everyone, it's Matt Knauss here, and I know that when you're looking for an attorney, it's really hard to tell who you should hire. Everybody says they're great at what they do, and everybody says that they want to get you the best possible outcome. Well, the best possible outcome is just kind of a statement that doesn't really mean anything. What you really need to know is what's motivating your attorney to do what they do. Some people are just in it for a paycheck. A lot of times those folks will kind of make any promise they need to, say anything they need to make the sale, drop their price to whatever it needs to be to make the sale. And that's just not who I am. I'm here because I know what it's like to be a prosecutor, and I know how prosecutors can use the system to bully people into either pleading guilty or making a deal that they don't want to make. So what do I mean when I say that prosecutors can bully people? You know, I once had a supervisor tell me to file a case that we had no real chance of winning, just to see if we could pressure a defendant into a plea bargain. Another time, I was taken off of a case after I told the victim that their story didn't add up. Later, in that case, another prosecutor took over, took that case to trial, and the defendant was found not guilty. That victim was later successfully sued for filing a false police report. As a prosecutor, I got real used to winning cases, but it felt empty. It just didn't mean anything to chalk up a conviction for the government when so many of our cases either didn't involve a victim at all, or the victim didn't want the case to be prosecuted. It felt like a big part of the job was pressuring people into pleading guilty because we knew that we did not have the capacity to try every case. I knew that I had to do something else. I started working for a defense firm focusing on criminal and DUI defense, and finally, the work I was doing was making a difference for real people. It meant that instead of just sending people to jail, I could make sure that parents could come home to their kids. My clients could save their driver's license from being suspended so they didn't lose their jobs, and they could protect their reputation from the damage that comes from just one simple mistake. Look, if you're going through a criminal case, I know that it's stressful. It's probably all you can think about. We're here to help. So give us a call and let's get to work on getting your life back.